Have you been playing the viral game called Wordle? If yes, then you must be tired of Googling the word Wordle to visit the page to play it. Now you can play it from your home screen. In this video, I'll show you how to install the real Wordle app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. On your iPhone or iPad, open up the Safari app. Now Google Wordle and navigate to the page which hosts this game. It will be the first link in the search results. Once the page loads up, tap on the share button at the bottom center. Scroll down and tap on Add to Home Screen. Then tap on Add. Now go back to your home screen and you should see a new app appear called Wordle. Tap on it to play your Wordle game. However, do note, since you created a new Wordle web app game on your home screen, you're basically creating a new session. Your stats which you started in Safari won't be carried over to your web app. The stats will start from zero. And that is how to install the real Wordle app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. If you made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.